Hello, I'm Tom, and welcome to another CentreStack tutorial. Today I'm going to be looking at the new release on supporting email and message file previews in the web portal. So that's pretty simple. You just log in to CentreStack as a tenant, and going to go to My Files, and there I'm going to open my Documents folder, and I've got a couple of a .eml and a .msg file. I'm going to drag those over there. And as you can see, after just a few moments, you get a little preview, a little thumbnail. And if you double click the email file, the EML file, then you get a larger view of what the contents are. I'll close that and try the same thing with the MSG file, and there you go. Now this is a very simple file. Of course, a more complex file will look better, has photos embedded and things like that. But that's about it for this. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please link to it, anyone that might be interested, and like and share, and hit the little bell for alerts if you want to see when new tutorials are released. Thank you. Have a great day.